Hello, how you doing? We're gonna make a fattoush salad today. It's really simple and absolutely delicious. So what you're gonna need is some pita bread or kubus, like that there, and then chop it up into kind of little pieces. Then we're gonna heat some oil up, and then we're gonna fry it just for about 3 or 4 minutes, you know, kind of get it nice and toasty. Once we've got it to that stage, we're just going to drain it off. You can put it onto some paper towel if you want to kind of get any excess oil from it. Okay, so with that done, let's take a look at the salad that we're going to be using today. So we're going to need some radish, some fresh mint, and some fresh parsley. We're going to drop in some lettuce into the bowl. I'm using these tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes you like, you know, up to you. And cucumber, along with the radish, which I've kind of just cut up and sliced up, as you can see. Little bit of sliced onion. By the way, you can adjust the amounts of all of this. It's up to you. Little bit of the fresh mint and the parsley. Green pepper. Some people put it in, some people don't. I'm going to add it today. And then what we've got here is sumac. This is really kind of fairly essential to this dish. You might better buy it. I mean, I can buy it really easy where I live. You might better have to go online to get it. Sumac. It's delicious. We're going to put some salt in there. We're going to put a little bit of pepper in there. You know, just to taste. Olive oil. Try and use a really expensive or good quality olive oil. Nice glug or two of that. We're going to get some lemon juice into that. And then simply we're going to just give it a mix. Job done. We're going to just pop that on a plate. We're going to get our bread on there. And then one more thing, not essential, but a lot of people use it. This is pomegranate molasses, like a syrup. I'm just going to pop some of that on the top, give it a little extra kind of sweetness. But yeah, a fattoush salad is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.